Hello, my name is Colin Vickers, and today I will be talking about the design principles of my infographic. Since I am comparing two phenomena, I have split my infographic into two halves because this gives the reader a side-by-side comparison that is easy to understand. Additionally, I have split my infographic into three sections. This gives the infographic a sense of order and organization. My infographic contains multiple focal points. A focal point carries visual weight that draws a person's eye towards them. I also use visual hierarchy, which is conveyed by emphasizing one element over another and communicates meaning through repetition and alignment. In the first section, the title text and associated banner are dominant relative to the other images. This helps the reader clearly understand what the infographic will be about. In the second section, I have placed my dominant focal points in the center because I wanted the reader to know what was being compared. I also use subdominant texts and images to help the reader understand the statistics and what they correspond to, and subordinate titles and statistics to help bring depth and understanding to the reader. In the third section, I use different size circular percentage bars to convey relative differences in acres burned. I did this to draw the reader's eyes towards the region that has the most annual acres burned. I also included some of Gestalt's principles in my infographic. These theories describe how people tend to organize visual elements into groups or unified wholes when certain principles are applied. I used the principle of proximity by splitting my infographic into those three sections. I also use the principle of alignment. I use center alignment for most of the titles because it helps the reader tell the different sections apart. My infographic also displays the use of color theory. Color theory includes the use of color harmony, color wheels, and color meaning. Color harmony means the visual is experienced as presenting a sense of order. I achieve this by using two different colors. Each color corresponds to one of the two sections. I used analogous colors in my infographic. Analogous colors are those in close proximity to each other on the color wheel. I used analogous colors to create harmony and convey a sense of order to the reader. I selected the colors red and orange because the colors are associated with fire, and that's what my infographic is about. Thank you everyone for listening to my infographic design justification. Have a good day.